Use my quick and easy pizza dough recipe to make these delicious pizza muffins. To your warm water, add sugar and your instant yeast, and then whisk together and set aside. For the dry ingredients, combine the flour, seasonings, salt, and mix everything together, creating a well in the center of the bowl. Once your yeast mixture has foamed up, pour it into the flour mixture, and then add in the olive oil. Carefully use a rubber spatula to stir the ingredients together until all of the flour has been absorbed by the wet ingredients. Shape into a ball and let it rest for 10 minutes in an oiled bowl, then divide the dough in 12 equal pieces, shaping them into balls and placing them in an oiled muffin tray. Let the dough balls rest until doubled in size and then top them with marinara sauce, some grated mozzarella cheese, and some pepperoni slices. Bake in your preheated oven until nice and golden and then let them cool completely. Then you're ready to enjoy these delicious pizza muffins with warm marinara sauce. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.